We've done a project for the Osaka Expo of scanning various monuments in Luxembourg.
I'm Jerry Klein. I'm a technical support specialist at Artec 3D.
Hi, my name is Keinan. I'm a support engineer and application engineer here in Artec 3D. We scanned the Ducal Palace. We scanned it both inside and out, so we scanned the tiny sugar model inside of the actual palace.
So it was completely made out of sugar, and we scanned it. Unfortunately, it was a very good model, but it was not the same as the real one.
When we decided that it wasn't enough for our needs, we scanned the actual palace itself, again with the ray and with the drone.
That one was quite hard to scan since it's not a small castle, it's quite big. So it took us more than a day. So alone to take the scans took us around 4 or 5 hours, plus taking all the additional pictures, drone footage to fill up all the gaps to get the highest fidelity of textures.
We scanned the hollow tooth, which required the drone because we couldn't actually get to the other side of it. So there is a side that is visible from the road and then a cliff on the other side. So the only way to scan the other side of it and the roof, because it's a UNESCO protected site, we couldn't get on top of it, obviously. So to get every angle of it, we had to employ a drone. And because we can now combine drone photography into photogrammetry and then easily combine it with the Ray II, we could then get a pretty good rendition of the site from every angle. Saving and archiving and making accessible the kind of good things that we have in our country, keeping them for future generations that may not get to see what we see. The best example for this, I think, is the church that got burned, and luckily they had digital models of a lot of the woodwork in the roof just because someone wanted to digitize it for archival reasons and to create some kind of project. Because they were able to digitize that, they were able to then reconstruct a lot of the woodwork just based off of digitized files. And we wouldn't necessarily have that without 3D scanning technology, 3D modeling technology, and making those tools accessible to the public.
If you have a 3D scan in a high fidelity, you can reconstruct it, preserve it, always have a 1-to-1 ratio of a virtual twin.
Both for cultural heritage and for then education, research.